Now it is time to install some basic applications because we completed our basic setups, basic configurations. Now it's time to install some of the most important applications like ClamAv. To install a ClamAv, we need to enter here Manage Plugins and click on this. So you can able to say this video is all about how to install ClamAv. ClamAv is nothing but a cPanel based antivirus. If I am not wrong, you can able to see here. It's a virus scanner. Click on this. Extremely simple. Just wait for the 2-3 seconds or 10 seconds, 20 seconds and installation will automatically finish. Easiest way ever. Auto SSL or Let's Encrypt SSL is already installed, so you don't need to worry. This also not required and this is also not required, so don't worry. So wait for the installation to complete. It took almost 2 minutes to complete the installation and you can able to see that ClamAv for cPanel is now installed. Now just to confirm, wait and refresh the screen. And just I will cross mark this to disable this, and in plugin sections you can able to see we have option ClamAv scanner. Setting is extremely simple. Just select all and click on save. That's it. Antivirus or virus scanner is installed. So you don't need to worry. It will automatically scan. It will do everything for you automatically.